Hi everyone, my name's Ken and I'm a game designer. I've worked on a lot of different projects, including projects for Marvel, DreamWorks, and now I'm here at UConn teaching game design. Join me to work on a game here at UConn during the pre-college summer program. Over the course of the week, we're going to take you from not being able to program anything at all to being able to create your own side-scrolling 2D platformer game. You're going to be able to engage in working with game mechanics, you're going to be understanding how games are created from the bottom up, and by the end of it, you are going to be able to take home your very own personalized video game that your friends and family can play. So I'd like to invite you to come to UConn, and I hope to see you this summer.